if Sam's had these on here for a while, but I dig the white walls on the olds. Got Ed's and Gil's Impala. First time I've seen Ed's Impala with a new top.
We're going to be giving away a half-ton trolley jack. 6614.
Cool, man.
Just barely. 6614. You got a 1.5-ton jack.
I've got like kind of full bottle jack. Yeah, that one just rolled right under. Yeah, I used to carry one of those in my car.
Top.
Alright, so the last line, 88.
Matching C10 in Bel Air. Right here looks like all original. Monbest truck at the VFW 8738.
Alright, it's 214. When my clock hits 216, you do not pick up your award. We will go ahead.
I dig the white walls on this Beetle right here. And I seen this 60 Comet.
6746, please come forward. $67.46.
Favorite Dodge right here. Whee-woo, whee-woo, whee-woo. All original Plymouth.
Swung by your car and then
$67.46, last call.
Hey, you don't even get that thing out of gear, man. Number second, third gear. You get in the third gear and you do it.
I like these two trucks right here. Like the hideaway headlights on
Alright,
this
so this is
one.
gonna be a winner.
Sorry for the sun.
691 6992 6992.
McLaren 675 LT Spider.
2016. It is sweet looking. Do you drop it on the weekends or every time you get a chance?
Just car shows.
Oh yeah?
It's got about 1,000 miles on it.
Arnold's 72 Cutlass.
Oh yeah?
But he had a house in Miami.
Yeah, you have to get ready to say. I know when the Jaguar came out, the hard top, the new hard top, it looks like a Mercedes. See, it looks like it now, you know what I'm saying? Like a Jaguar.
Real deal Roadrunner right here.
Seriously, we encourage them. Burns and Robert, replace the tire. Decent margin. Make it stick up in this car. Love it.
Mars 69 Mustang drop top.
It's in Irma. That move fitness.
It's Apache right here.
That's not your car. But that's when I found out that this is LS, not a Corvette. LS.
70
I do
and
want to thank all of our volunteers
71
at this lodge. We are a volunteer lodge. No one in
Chevelle.
this lodge gets paid. We are not on a payroll. Your kitchen staff's not on a payroll. Your bartenders are not on a payroll. So if you believe that you undertipped them when you cashed out, you might want to go back inside and say, hey, here, thank you for your service. Thank you for what you do. Thank you for serving our community and making sure that we're taken care of. 266.
72.
Really good with your hand and pull out one blue ticket.
They got that new fella warming up. We ain't doing nothing.
And I'm handing my wife our tickets. All right, ticket number.
Metropolitan.
You just want some money.
Check this out. 4-cylinder from a Toyota. Two Hot Wheels cars. Get Schroeder's car in the video. Too nice not to.
All right, so best in show. Driving a 1974 Volkswagen.
Weird conversion right here. It's got like a Hummer front end on it. A quick look, they're doing the trophies over here.
All right, for the best truck.
Rob's
Driving a 1956 Ford, James Goodwin.
T-Bucket.
Second place for late model, driving a 2013.
Tucked away after a nice car show.